So now we will see what are the elementary particles and their respective types. What is meant by elementary particle and what are their respective types. So leptons and the quarks are the two types of elementary particles. So first we will see what are the quarks. Okay, how many quarks are there? What are their respective colors? What are their charges? Everything we will study in detail. So now we will see the quark. Okay, so what is the first thing that we must keep in our mind while studying the quark? Quark is nothing but the fermions with the spin half. Okay, these are the fermions with spin half. Next thing, that charge plus 2 by 3 E and minus 1 by 3 E. Okay, so quarks have the charges of plus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. Plus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. Okay, there exist 6 flavors. There are 6 types of 6 type. Okay, 6 types of quarks are there, and each quark exists in 3 colors. Okay, each quark in 3 colors. What are those colors? Such as red, blue, and green. Quarks have these 3 uh, colors. Okay, yeah. So as the quarks are there, the antiparticles also exist there. What are the antiparticles and their respective charges and how they are represented? Okay. Now, as they are the charges or quarks are the particles, we must identify that how the charges are or how the particles are named. So particles are named by, yes, you must by heart everything. Okay, why? Because in examination we don't have the time to recall this. We have to directly substitute the values of the charges and calculate the answers. So such as here up quark, down quark. Then next is top quark, bottom quark. C is the charge and S is the strength. Okay, so here at the numerator means everything at the numerator has the charge. They are having the charge of plus 2 by 3 E, and here the charges are minus 1 by 3 E. They are at the denominator. Okay, so these are the 3 generations of the quarks. Okay, they are having the respective anti-quarks also. What are those? Yes, directly substituting the bars over them are nothing but the such as U bar, then D bar, then again T bar and B bar, then C bar and S bar. Okay, so among this, T is the most heaviest. Okay, here T is having the larger mass or the heaviest mass. Okay, T is the heavy. Okay, so these were the quarks and the respective colors. How many colors the quarks exist? Quark exist in the three colors such as red, blue, and green. Okay, what are the particles? Particles are U, D, T, U, D, T, B, C, S, and their antiquarks are nothing but the bar over there. Okay, so next is nothing but the leptons. Okay, leptons and antileptons. So here leptons are also nothing but the fermions with half spin. They are also spin half particle. Next thing, they have the charge of 0 or E minus E. They also exist in 6 flavors. And there is no color charge. So this was the comparative study between the quarks and the leptons. Okay. So what is the difference there? In quarks, it was plus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 respectively. The 6 flavors, there are also 6 flavors were there, but here no color charge is there. So what are the respective particles? Let us see. They are going to use only 3 particles here, such as E, leptons, uh, E, mu, and tau. Okay, these are the particles. What are the charges? E bar upon mu suffix E. Then suffix mu and to suffix mu suffix to. Okay, then antileptons are given by e to the power plus, then at the denominator this mu will be followed by the bar. Okay, then next mu plus, this mu is followed by the bar, and again tau plus this tau. So at the numerator, yeah, in this case at numerator the charges will be a minus e and 0, and here the charge will be plus q and 0. Okay, so these were the elementary particles such as the lepton.